Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss one more example of job sequencing with the deadline. Anyway, you know the procedure. What is the concept here? They are given n number of jobs. Each job is associated with some profit and deadline. Your aim is you need to execute the jobs within the given deadline. The same time, you need to get the maximum profit. Means, what is your aim? In which order the jobs are to be executed to get the maximum profit. Anyway, they are given the deadlines. For example, 3. This is job 1. The deadline is 1. Job 2. The deadline is 3. What is the meaning of this deadline? Suppose deadline is 3 means for executing job 2, they are given a maximum of 3 seconds. In the seconds format, they are given a maximum of 3 seconds. But remember, each job needs only 1 second for execution. Even though here 4 means it does not need 4 seconds for execution. The maximum time for execution is always 1 second. But here the maximum duration they given 4 slots or 4 seconds, which in 4 slots you can execute on any slot. That is the meaning. Now, how do we implement this one? Our aim is to get the maximum profit. So, arrange the jobs according to the profits in descending order. So, here this is J1, J2, J3, J4, J5, J6, J7. Now, which job has the highest profit? J7, followed by J3, followed by J4, next to J6, J2, J1 and J5. This is the order. Now, J, I am going with greedy approach. J, what are the slots that are assigned? Means if a slot is assigned to one job, no other job is allowed to execute on the slot. That means suppose first 0 to 1 is completed, means at that point one job is executed. No job is allowed to execute on the same slot. That means in a single slot only one job is executed. Now what are the jobs we are consider? What are the action? Finally, what is the profit you are getting? Now observe. Initially, my answer does not consist of any job. No slot is assigned. Now, step by step. First to consider job 7. Why? I already said arranged according to descending order of profit. So, job 7 is considered. What is the deadline for job 7 2? Means maximum 2 slots. What are the slots? If deadline is equal to 2 means the slots are 0, 1, 1, 2. 2 slots are possible. You can execute any slot. Which one you prefer? So generally if you prefer 0, 1, okay, fine. But you have one more job in your system. Assume their deadline is 1. Means they have only possibility of 0, 1. This is waste. That is the reason always utilize the last 2 slot. So for deadline 2, the last 2 slot 1, 2. What is the profit? Profit is 30. Now J7. My answer consists of J7. What are the slot? 1, 2 is completed. Now J3. What is the deadline for J3? 4. By seeing this example only you can observe 4 is given means in this maximum 4 jobs you can execute. Anyway, 4 means which one you are allocated? 4 means 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, in my example maximum deadline is 4 means these are the possible 4 slots. Anyway, 1, 2 is already utilized by J7. Now for this I am using the last 2 slot 3, 4. What is the profit for J3? 20. 30 plus 20. The value is 50. J7, J3. Now what are the slots that are completed? 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4. Next to select J4. J4, the deadline is 3. What is the last slot? 2 comma 3. So till now 2, 3 is not at all utilized. Observe, use 2 comma 3. What is the profit for J4? 18. 50 plus 18, 68. So J7, J3, J4, the assigned slots 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now J6, what is the deadline? 1. What is 1 means only possible is 0, 1. Now 0, 1 is not at all listed. Now we observe why you are taking the maximum slot for this scenario. Now J6, the slot 0, 1. What is the profit? 6. So 68 plus 6, 74. Now J7, J3, J4, J6. Now 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. What is the next one? J2. J2 deadline is 3. All the 3 slots are completed. It is not possible to execute. So you are getting the same profit. So this J2 is not added in my answer. All the slots. Next to J1, deadline is 1. It is not possible to add. My profit is 74. Next to same J5, the deadline for J5 is 2. Even though the deadline is 2, all the slots are completed. 74 only. Now my all the jobs are completed. What is an optimal sequence? J7, J3, J4, J6. If you are executing in this order, you are getting a maximum profit of 74. This is job sequence, means in which sequence you need to execute the job to get maximum profit. This is the concept. Thank you.